Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan Rice Krispie treats. First, measure out 1/4 cup of your favorite vegan butter and 10 ounces of vegan marshmallows. Look for brands specifically labeled vegan for best results. You will also need 6 cups of crisp rice cereal. Having all your ingredients pre-measured makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lightly greasing it. Begin by melting 1/4 cup of vegan butter in a large, non-stick pot over medium-low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add the entire 10 ounces of vegan marshmallows. Stir continuously with a spatula, ensuring the mixture does not stick to the bottom. Continue stirring until the marshmallows are completely melted and form a smooth, gooey mixture. This step typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. After the marshmallow mixture is perfectly smooth and free of lumps, immediately remove the pot from the heat source. Now, carefully add the pre-measured 6 cups of crisp rice cereal into the warm, gooey mixture. Using a large, sturdy spatula, gently but thoroughly fold the cereal into the marshmallow base. Continue mixing until every single piece of cereal is evenly coated, ensuring a consistent texture throughout your treats. Once the cereal is fully coated, quickly transfer the mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. You can lightly grease the pan or line it with parchment paper for easier removal. Use another piece of greased parchment paper or a greased spatula to firmly and evenly press the mixture down into the pan. Do not overcompress, as this can make the treats too hard. Let them set at room temperature for at least 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.